没看到，你看，哎，自己倒下去，还没看到，对呀。
Oh God！
很直刻意假戏真做了。
没看到啊，他侧面头下去，他就没看到。
So I was watching that video on Annie's phone. It's people that they run into your car and then they claim that you hit them and ask for money. It's kind of like a con job. That's why people have these cameras now in their cars right here, because at least they can capture it on tape. But people are actually posing and getting caught on camera and then claiming, no, you hit me, and literally they ran into your car physically. Gosh, that makes me so angry. Are we the first ones here, you think? Yeah.
没告诉我。
So I asked for a beer, and the first thing they asked me was, how many cases do you want? When you get that answer, you know you're in a traditional Chinese place. They don't sell beer by the bottle. Cases, that's the way it works. This is a xiaolongxia. It's really a crawfish, but they call it a small lobster. The worst thing about xiaolongxia is there's not enough meat. I'd have to eat 1,000 of these to make myself full. Annie enjoys it. That's my teacher. So if my Chinese is bad, it's all her fault. Gotcha. Has a monster appetite. She'll go on forever and ever and ever and ever.
I can continue 2 hours more.
Our neighbors are a little bit loud.
Let's beat them. 他们赢了 ，they win。我们这一桌失败，他们赢了，应该不。
I can think of no better way to end this vlog right now. At the end of the meal. If you like the Chayo vlog, comment below. I love to hear your comments. I love to hear what you guys got to say. It really is amazing to hear the community. Subscribe so you can see the next one that comes out every single day. And like it if you'd like it. If you don't, dislike it. Just be active.